Big Murph Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on this 2001 Toyota Corolla. So if you come here to the airbox side, there are these two clips holding the top of it together. So what you want to do is take your hand and unclip both of these, and once you lift this airbox up, you will have access to the air filter, and with that access you will now be able to remove it. Now that you have removed the air filter, you can now reinstall the new one in the opposite order. So this one can go in the garbage, and now you can reinstall the new one. Now that you've reinstalled the new air filter, don't forget to clip back in the top of the airbox. And there you have it. That is how you change an air filter on a 2001 Toyota Corolla.